Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. And in today's video, we're taking a look at these Coverado seat covers. Now, these are the seat covers right here, and I want to talk a little bit about them and what you can expect when you get them. Now, the first thing I noticed about these seat covers is just how high quality and premium they feel. They feel so high-end and nice, and I was really surprised at just how nice they really are. Now, the first thing I wanted to mention is the stitching all the way around the entire seat cover. All of the pieces is very high-end. I've not seen one spot where the stitching is off. It's all really nice, especially even when they do the double stitching like this. I've been very impressed by the stitching. It gives a really nice and modern feel to the seat covers. Another feature I really like is that they actually went ahead and used two different types of materials here. You can see the kind of porous material to allow better airflow, and then they also have that smooth material to really give a nice refined look. And if we actually look at the back, this is the seat cover back. If we look at the back side here, you can see they went with that smooth material, and we even have a pocket on the back, which I thought was a great feature and something I didn't even think of when I got these, but I thought that was a great feature that they added. Now, these are universal and they're made and designed to fit many shapes and sizes of vehicles, and mine fit absolutely perfectly. I was really impressed at just how easy it was to put them on, and also just how nicely they fit. They were very nice and snug, and you really honestly would not even know there's a cover on if it fits nice and snug on your vehicle, which I was very impressed by. Another feature I wanted to mention is on the underside of the actual seat here, we actually have these little tiny rubberized dots to kind of grip the bottom of the seat, so it's not sliding around on the seat as it is a cover, but it actually will grip the seat a little bit, and then you can go ahead and cinch it down and it should stay in place really nicely. And like I said, maybe not even noticeable that it is a seat cover. Now, along with the base of the seat and also the back of the seat, you also get the headrest here. And I was really impressed that all of the material does have a good amount of padding to it. So it is nice and comfortable. If your seats maybe are lacking a little level of comfort, this actually might help improve the comfort. I was kind of surprised that wasn't really why I bought these, but I was really impressed that they do offer a slight level of comfort to them. Overall, I just can't say enough how nice and high-end and premium these seat covers feel. They are very high quality, and for that reason, I highly recommend them. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.